Latest rumors from leaker Jasper Ellens. Several European retailers have revealed pricing for the upcoming DJI Avata in its bundles. The base model is €459, which makes it relatively affordable compared to other high-end 360-degree camera drones. Bundle options are there. One is the 360 Fly More combo with RC2 at €939. Another configuration is the Motion Fly More with RC Motion 3 controller and goggles priced at €939. And premium combo which includes goggles and RC2 controller is listed around €1,159. These are well priced. Listing suggests intelligent flight battery that costs €79, while replacement propeller can cost around $21.09 separately. If these leaks are DJI aim to compete directly with 360 anti-gravity A1, particularly by keep pricing low while offering replaceable lenses and large battery. A recent leak from DJI hints at some of the drone capability. The company describes Avata as a 8K flagship 360 drone, confirming for 8K 360-degree video recording. The revealed a launch date of March, while the current leak shipment will begin in Europe around 9th. Meanwhile, few hands-on images are online about the early leaks of the drone design. The photo shows a compact copter with a protective propeller cage central camera system designed for dual 360-degree capture.